So we had a few extra lemons left after last week's activities.
If you know, you know.
So we decided to make limoncello.
Let's get started. After 5 days of making our limoncello, here we are with our 3 different styles. We have one that we made with Tito's.
And then this one is Absolute. And then this one was
A mixture.
the cheap vodkas.
A mixture of the cheap vodka.
Yeah, it should be really good.
So here we go.
Let's try the Tito's. Sweet but good. Smells like a nice clean house.
Are you saying that it tastes like or smells like pine salt?
No, it smells like lemon.
Okay, I'll take that. This is actually very good. Sweet?
Yeah.
Good.
Lemony.
Lemony?
It's not very tart.
You don't
It's
taste the
really
vodka
just-
so much.
No, and you don't have any of the sour of the lemon since it's just the zest. It's pretty good. And so, correction, this was actually Sky, or Absolute, not Sky.
No, Sky. It was Sky, not
Sky,
Absolute.
not Absolute. Okay.
So here's the taste test. Smooth. You can definitely taste the difference in the vodkas. I don't know which one's better though. I think they're all pretty good.
I think so too. I just finished.
Let's just party. So what do you think, Kim? Which one did you like the best?
Well, at the end of the day, I think I like the Tito's one best. But I think for people that don't like the taste of alcohol, this one was the best.
All in all, it was a very fun project.
It was.
Never made limoncello before, and I just never realized there wasn't lemon actually in limoncello.
No,
It's just
just
those rinds.
The zest and sugar and vodka. So very simple to make, didn't take long.
Just 5 days.
Didn't take long to actually make it. We just had to let it sit. So,
But it was fun. And
was.
we're gonna have some fun now, right?
yes we are.
Yeah?
I know.
More.